Hello guys, welcome to another behind the scenes video of the She Shed. If you haven't already, please go watch the final reveal. I'll link it up here, but that was so much fun to share with you guys this space that I've been building and dreaming about for over a year now. Now you're seeing the behind the scenes. I don't know which one of these videos this intro is going to be for because I'm kind of filming this really out of order. So I'm just throwing together every clip that I have of moving everything in, and I'm going to try to divide it up so that it makes a little bit of sense. So I hope you enjoy this video. I'm going to be working on getting everything organized and getting everything put together for the final reveal, which you've already seen probably. So I'm going to cut to the clips of me organizing or decorating or whatever I end up doing today. Okay guys, just going to talk you through a little bit of what we're doing in this video. So picking up the furniture was truly one of the most exciting moments in building this shed because it was something I've been looking forward to for so long. So we're just loading up the furniture and we're going to take it back to the shed and start putting everything in its place. And originally I had wanted this rug fully under the couch, but you can see that when we got it in here, you couldn't see much of the rug sticking out from the couch. So we shifted that a little bit so that you could see more of the rug. So it was time to hang up the boho piece of art above the couch, and just so everyone knows, I'm off camera telling him if it looks good, and that usually tends to be my job with these things, is just making sure that it looks right, and it definitely looked great. And I will link this below. I got it on Etsy. I just wanted to include a little bit of me talking and telling you about what we've accomplished so far and what we still have to do. So yesterday was a huge day, and we moved in so much furniture. So the desk was already in here. We just put it where it's going to be. So you get a little sneak peek of it right here. We moved in both of the rugs and put them down, and then we moved in the couch. The TV cabinet, it's going like underneath the TV. We mounted the TV on the wall. And then we moved in a bunch of Rubbermaids. So I can actually show you the Rubbermaids all right there that I have to unpack today. So part of what I'm doing today is unpacking all of those. And then the other part is bringing boxes from inside to put all of the books and things on these shelves behind me. So I hope that there's enough room for all of the books I have because I would like to also continue buying books. So I think I'll make it work. I've been waiting to decorate these bookshelves for so long. It has been the thing I have been most excited for this whole project. And I could hug them. I'm so excited to decorate these bookshelves because when you walk in the door, that's gonna be the first thing you see. You're gonna see the bookshelves. So these are the infamous cabinet doors that took forever and a day to get delivered to us. They took 6 weeks longer than they should have. When we talked to the guy, he told us it would take about 3 weeks to get the whole bookshelf done, and it took about 9 weeks only because of the cabinet doors. The bookshelf had been done for months and we were just waiting on these doors right here. So we have to attach the hardware still. That's why there's these like blue tags on it, because we have to attach the gold hardware. So I'm just really happy that I can finally show you guys all of this. It's exactly what I envisioned in my mind, and I'm just so thrilled that it's all coming together. And I'm so happy that I trusted myself with the decisions that I made, that I trusted myself with the wallpaper and this color and a lot of just bold things that I think are really working out well. Even the wallpaper in the bathroom, I was a little bit scared about, but now when I go in the bathroom and see all of the details in there, it really looks great. So I'm so happy that everything is coming together. First, I put everything up on the bookshelf and quickly realized it easily has enough space for all of my books. I know I mentioned in the last clip that I was worried there wouldn't be enough space, but quickly I realized that I was so wrong and I could fit like 500 books on here. So that is amazing. And then what you're seeing is a couple of days later, I have a different outfit on, and I wanted to go in and switch out some of the book colors because I realized it was just a lot of color on that wall, and the wall is already really green. So I switched some covers backwards, and I already talked about that in another video, but I'm just trying to make everything a little bit more neutral. pretty self-explanatory here. We're just hanging curtain rods, and I'm off camera again, making sure that everything looks straight and looks right. But fun fact, you can actually see here how badly the door needs to be painted. So it's really off-white, and it's supposed to be like the same color as the wall. So we also did not have it painted for the final reveal, but don't tell anyone that. It's getting painted very soon. Just thought I would let you guys in on a little secret there. Okay, it's 2 days until I have to film the final reveal, 3 days until the reveal comes out. This is the situation. So I have to sand all of these spots on the door because we just want it to be this natural wood, and I'm going to put a light whitewash over it. So I have to get it completely down to the natural wood. These are just where I've done a lot of paint samples. And then today I have to paint one more coat on this trim because we sanded it to be smooth. And I have to do one more green coat on this trim, and this is what is going in between the bookshelves. So it's going to be like just a little 3D installation of just some trim and a cool design. So that's what I'm working on today. Hopefully I get it all done. Okay guys, this door was a total pain in the butt, to be completely honest. On this particular day, I spent 4 hours sanding it, and I documented that whole thing on Instagram, so you'll see a couple of clips from Instagram. But it was a very long day of sanding, and I think total between me and my dad, we spent about 12 hours sanding this door. But it did turn out to be one of the most beautiful custom pieces that we did in this whole shed, and we're really proud of it now that we've put all the work in. So as you can tell here, the white color doesn't completely cover the wood, which is exactly what I wanted. I bought a semi-transparent stain so that you could still see some of that natural color poking through. And then after this video, I sanded a little bit of the paint off too so that you can really see the natural color and it looks like a rustic barn door. And here we are installing the trim between the bookcases. It really adds a unique 3D touch, and now this wall wouldn't be the same without it. And the little pieces of blue tape are holding it to the wall while the glue dries, so it was actually a pretty simple process. And that's going to be the end of this video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll put the 2 handles right here. And if you would, please give this video a like. It helps me out so much. Leave a comment below and let me know what your favorite part of this moving vlog was. And I will see you in the next one. Do not forget to subscribe. I have some exciting things coming. Lots of home reno and more home decor. I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you guys. Bye.